This is my view on the recent discussion on the need to hire foreign workers under the H1B visa. This discussion was necessitated by the post shared on X by Elon Musk and followed by Vivek's view on this issue. As an immigrant myself, my view is shared below. Before we dive in, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with all concerned fellows. We're diving into the heated debate surrounding H1B visas and their impact on the American workforce. The United States has long been a magnet for global talent, but as discussions intensify, influential figures like Elon Musk and others in the MAGA movement are calling for reform. The question we're exploring today is, shouldn't we prioritize developing our domestic talent before looking abroad? Let's walk through the key aspects of this debate. The H-1B visa program was originally designed to address labor shortages in specialized fields. However, many argue that it strayed from its intended purpose, being used to lower labor costs rather than fill genuine skill gaps. Now, let's consider the potential of our own workforce. The U.S. has a deep pool of talented individuals ready to contribute, but they often face competition from foreign workers willing to accept lower salaries. This creates a challenging situation where American workers may be overlooked. Elon Musk himself has emphasized the need to prioritize developing skills at home, while still attracting top global talent. It's a delicate balance we need to strike. Critics of the current H-1B system are advocating for reforms to ensure fairness and equity. Some key proposals include placing caps on the number of visas granted annually, enforcing equal pay standards, and requiring companies to invest in training American workers before turning to foreign talent. These reforms aren't about closing doors. They're about creating a level playing field for all. Let's address some questions you might have about this issue. Who benefits from H-1B reform? Well, it's not just about protecting American jobs. It's about fostering a competitive, fair, and inclusive labor market that benefits everyone. Are we against foreign talent? Absolutely not. The goal is to ensure that opportunities for international professionals coexist with the growth and development of our domestic workforce. What if we don't address this issue? We risk continuing a trend where many Americans in STEM fields remain underemployed despite their qualifications. By focusing on bridging this gap, we can create a stronger, more resilient workforce. Remember, the United States is at its strongest when it invests in its people while continuing to welcome global talent. It's about finding the right balance. We're not looking to shut out others, but to ensure we're empowering every citizen to reach their full potential. Because a stronger workforce at home means a stronger future for us all. Join the conversation and make your voice heard. Contact your representatives to advocate for fair and balanced H-1B reform. Together, we can shape a policy that works for everyone. For more information on this topic and how you can get involved, check out the links in the description. Thanks for engaging with this important issue. If you like this content, subscribe and share. Your support is important to me.